Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome to another video. So in this video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of my new non-stop tuning water pump. It was a partnership between AISIN and Non-Stop Tuning. They've created several water pumps for different various cars, makes and models, and they also made one for my car, Toyota Yaris. I believe it was a partnership, but yeah, I sent an email out about month and a half ago talking about they got this new water pump and everything else. And I was interested because I had just previously ordered lightweight pulleys from them. But let's get on with the unboxing. For the sake of the video, I already cut the tape just to make it easier because you know I'll be doing this with one hand. So let's see what's in here. So we got the gasket, new gasket for it, and the water pump. Let's take this out the plastic. Hold on, y'all. All right. So it's the water pump. Nice finish. If you're wondering why I don't have the pulley, it's because I ordered it without it. I had already purchased the complete lightweight pulley kit, which was the alternator, crank pulley, and water pump pulley, if you go back to my previous video. So it wouldn't have made sense to order another pulley with the water pump if I already had it. Especially I just recently got it. But so pretty much from the email and from my understanding on the website, this provides optimum cooling without creating excess load on the engine. Aluminum die-cast technology allows for size and weight reductions without sacrificing cooling performance. It's also made with the highest quality materials that's used for creating a stronger body design and resistance to corrosion. Advanced technological design produces smooth coolant flow channels, efficient rotors, ball bearings, and carbon ceramic mechanical sealing for optimum cooling performance and longevity. So it comes with a metal gasket, as I showed you, carbon ceramic seals, and precision die cast. But I will be doing an install video really soon. As many of you guys know, I'm building my Yaris. It's gonna be similar to my old one, but this go around I'm doing a ton of upgrades on various parts. But stay tuned. I have a ton of things. Well, a ton of videos coming of different parts I'm ordering and everything else. This specific water pump, I got it, like I said, from Non-Stop Tuning. Website is shop.nonstoptuning.com. I will also put a description of the water pump, and I'll also provide the website link below. As always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.